Hello everyone, welcome to BRAINet Fun Learning Paradise. The Early Childhood STEM Education curriculum takes STEM education philosophy as the guiding core, guides children to transfer life experience in activities, pay attention to problems in life, combine themes with bold ideas, design, and construct models. The course divides the syllabus into several major topics, including biology, transportation, physics, mathematics, and etc. In the subject of biology, young children will know what are animals and plants, recognize and understand the sea, land, and sky animals, viviparous, oviparous animals, day and nighttime animals, insects, and etc. They will understand the appearance, characteristics, and living habits of cats, owls, and other animals. At the same time, they will get to know some rarely heard scientific anecdotes. In the theme of transportation, children will be introduced with various sea, land, and air transportation. They will perceive the role and working principle of ships, cars, helicopters, and etc. In the subject of physics, children will learn about mechanics, simple machine, electricity, and magnet. For example, recognize the structure and type of daily necessities such as trolleys, and recognize the fundamental working principle of electricity. Also, children will stimulate their interest through games in learning, thus learn basic addition and subtraction. The curriculum constructed simple learning platform and enhance children's construction ability, creativity, scientific inquiry ability, comprehensive development of multiple abilities such as logical thinking ability, confidence, communication, and teamwork. In short, STEM is an interdisciplinary subject where S is equal to science, T for technology, E engineering, and M for mathematics. It connects the subjects, thus allowing students to relate their daily life with STEM, experience participation in scientific experiments, observe, think, and express ideas. Our program even won the Best STEM Education Program by Baby Talk Mama Papa. What do you think? Are you very interested? Come and join us. See ya!